2, 3, throw. Up high.
This is our 6-part series of Phoenix with Kids. Day number 3. We're making our way to Black Canyon City. We are at Canyon Creek Ranch and today we are going on a cowboy adventure. This place lets you experience the thrill of nature and rugged beauty of the surrounding Southwest the same way the original cowboys did. Today I'm going to ride Champ the horse.
1, 2, 3. All right, hold on tight.
Cowboy Chris is our tour guide today, and he's going to lead my horse until I'm ready to drive by myself. And after 7 minutes, I'm ready to take on the challenge. We saw many different types of cacti on this trail. And this cactus has another one growing on it called a top hat. And this is what a dead cactus looks like. We're speeding along. My horse is going poopy. Why don't horses use toilets? Cowboy Chris is pointing out some drawings on the rocks made by natives. Now we're going down a steep slope.
Got a step coming up. Let's see the form. We're leaning back. And Champ enters the hill. And we got a big rock coming. Ooh, big step. Can he make it?
And he did. We're approaching the Old West town of Coldwater. This is the Rusty Nail Saloon. This is an authentic looking Western bar. Watch out for the rattlesnake. Now Cowboy Chris is going to show me how to throw a tomahawk. So close. Time to learn how to lasso. We're at the shooting range. Ooh, just missed it. And it's my dad's turn.
Nice shot. Look at him go.
Lastly, I'm learning how to shoot with a bow and arrow.
Awesome. Ooh,
nice.
Now we're going to have lunch at the Wild West Cookout. Thank you, Cowboy Chris, for a fun time at Canyon Creek Ranch. You can book your own cowboy adventure at www.westerndestinations.com. We're driving to Scottsdale. We are at Scottsdale's Museum of the West. This museum celebrates the art, history, and unique stories of the 19 states comprising the American West. There are many interactive displays here. I am looking at some beautiful paintings. This is the Western art section. This looks like I'm standing next to a horse, but it's really a drawing on the ground. Now we're looking at some Western gears and artifacts. Baby and I are playing with magnets. Is that a real buffalo? We're taking the elevator to the second level. This is the confluence of cultures in the American West exhibit. This section showcases the stories of friendship, tension, and conflict that arose during the cultural contact in the American West. We had so much fun at Scottsdale's Museum of the West. We are at the Scottsdale Museum of Contemporary Art. This is Arizona's only permanent museum designed solely to modern works of art, design, and architecture. This is Ferryman's Crossing by Bruce Monroe. Look at all the shining CDs. Wonder what's in this room. Colors make the room glow. Going to see Tales on the Horizon by Kelly Richardson. I'm going to ride in one of these rocket ships. And I have reached the planet Mars. I had so much fun at Scottsdale Museum of Contemporary Art. We are at McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park. This site features a 15-inch gauge rideable miniature railway. All aboard! This route has 3,800 feet of track. Baby, don't fall off the train. We're passing by a really big Christmas tree. And then we saw some snow. Baby spotted Big Bird. Whee! Now we're gonna look at some model trains. This is a busy city. Look, there's a person with a sombrero. It's Amtrak. We had so much fun at the McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park. Stay tuned for part 4. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a video. Also like and share this video with your friends.